Hello, my name is Mrs. Bigelow, and I'm here again to continue with my lesson on letter sounds. Last week we did an introduction of the lesson, so today we are going to be a little bit more practical with the lesson. So I do have my magnetic letters, and once you gather your little ones, and let's do this together. Vamos a seguir nuestra lectura de sonidos de alfabetos. Ahora vamos a ser muy práctica, ¿ok? Entonces, acércate. Yeah. So we are going to start with words that end with at. So a, say a, a, t, a, t. Put it together. At. Now I'm going to add a letter in front of it. M says at. 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 Put it together. Mat. Mat. What happens when I remove the N and I replace it with the H makes what sound? At. At. Put it together. Hat. Hat. I'm going to remove my H and I bring another letter. P. P makes P sound. P. At. P. At. P. At. P. Pat. Pat. What happens when I remove my P? And here comes my S. S makes the S sound. S. At. S. At. S. At. Sat. Sat. Now I'm going to change my A. I'll replace it with an E. You know that E makes the et, et. Now I'm going to add my N. N makes the sound. Et. 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 Net. Net. What happens when I remove my N? Put my G. G makes the g sound. Remember our goods? G. Et. G. Et. G. Et. Get. Get. How about if I replace it with my J? With my J. Remember, J makes the j sound. J. Et. J. Et. J. Et. J. Jet. Jet. You see that? Reading is fun. Jet. What happens? Let me try this one. Et. 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 Met. Met. I met a friend yesterday. I met. Good. Let's try this one. Set. Set. Okay, so you can practice as many times as possible. You can change the letters around. Once you know your letter sounds, we did this last class, you know your letter sounds, then putting letters together and sounding them out will not be a problem. Okay? Remember, letters form words, and group of words form sentences. So we need to be well knowledgeable. We need to have a good foundation in order to read. Okay? Reading is fun. Reading is fundamental. Buenas tardes. Por favor, compartir esta lectura con tus niños. Eso es muy importante, es fundamental, es muy importante que tu niño sabe cómo se leer, ¿ok? Pasa buenas noches. Have a very good day. Until then, bye-bye.